How to check your Shake Shack gift card balance online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see how much is left on your Shake Shack gift card, well, in today's video, I'll show you how you can do it easily on their website. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, you can then just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here, once you are on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with your account and once logged in, you can simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then select gift cards from the menu. And here, once you do that, on the next page, you simply have to enter your gift card number and PIN as exactly shown on the card and then click check balance. And there, once you do that, your current balance will appear on screen. So there you can use this info to plan your next order or split payment if needed. And that's it. That's how you can check your Shake Shack gift card balance online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.